a new African in the world. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Abusunya channel ni di hot goss and then first time amemo akwaba na ye wa hanes enema e trend organ entertainment issues eba lifestyle afin so it come one da be education na ne he ba bisunya de e de afa eye ye mampanin dada and as the first president of Ghana Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eho binim se wate ne ho nsem bebre ene ye ba ababe yi fact bi ato ho okwan a ye fa so Dr. Kwame Nkrumah odi benyi ye babedi president nyina na ma ofa mu ne yira oware no ayifa no owu ye ayifa na ebesie no nsema kan kwaso dada ewo ha ni ntia eye online pani anasa mampani fo abanyina egitum se yenyi edaba akomfansuo ne fan celebrate no yo busa metrin Dr. Kwame Nkrumah edna ba be raga na abakosemu na mesha se ede free eye the year 1957 empo before 1957 no nema be bre edi kan koso apre bi any prison bi nyina baba mu abra na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eye se opese okon na oje eye independent ema eye Ghana na ni nyina achi no aniswade hu ne ba mu the year 1957 na every year bia se the Ghana yenim no 6 March bia yigina so afashe anase the kai se Ghana bra yenya independent in the year 6 March 1957 every year bia ye hye ho efa na aseche nyina ne se every bia atwam na abrofo no omo ne di yeso ne o governors ho no ma omo na ekire ne yenye decision bia be kodi ekise Ghana ha de omo pe no mo kire se yenye eno na nam so ma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne na pamfo bi ekon ebeji ya abrofo no beji tum so okay sisi mo se mo de mo ho de ya yate na emfie miensa achi 1957 no eba be 1960 no na Nkrumah ya se da bi se yetimi ade ya ho de ya ene yesi enya peni bi a obedi ya so yesi yetimi yiye peni ya ono ene be take decision amai yentimi ma brofo no take decision ema ebi eno ene ma omo hye political parties a eye Nkrumah so de ebe kan ho a Nkrumah na so ejinae ene yeto aba eye February 1960 and Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eba be di so as the first president of Ghana inti ye ka se yenya republic as chenya ne se yenya timi ejina mu ayi peni a ono emma media so inti na ma benya Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ono na be the first president of Ghana on a party from 1960 ekosi 66 a omba be di so no omo ye niam ahodo bebre e de ma Ghana niam na bobo bi so na emu mansa na bobo so no se wonim niam a Kwame Nkrumah ye ya misra wa fa to comment na se ho na obi a onim so onsua na the American niam a mekeka bi schools e bi hospitals e bi roads e bi factories niam bebre o wa Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ene na ban eba be ye 1960 to 1966 enti ebra Kwame Nkrumah the party eba be di ye akonwani so anasa banwani so from 1960 to 66 ni mu no dakroba akon ye o yenka bi nhyiemu yete na yese aban tugu aba ama yese yetu Kwame Nkrumah na enam se na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah obi na onkoma Ghana nko a ni mum na okoma Africa nyina ntino no adamfo bi ewo Guinea sabensa adamfo America onna na Guinea president na efe no Sekou Touré onna na president edema Guinea enti ama Kwame Nkrumah tu anamonse okwakobo ne ho adwa ho na in fact okoye no Sekou Touré eje no felso Emma Empono oyese ono na ye ni co-president e wasa Conakry oye Fatima Guinea fo no so ebe pair Dr. Kwame Nkrumah sempa science no munim juma udima the whole of Africa enti enina na muana eba ese Nkrumah eyare enti no so kosa ne ho yare ewo eye Romania Krubia from Bucharest enti Dr. Kwame Nkrumah etu anamo ekọ na no mu na fufia nto ata Dr. Ede eto a nananom ewonse edo in fact Guinea president no nani breya pa zanse na ni chuchu mucho pa nana wafi mu no enti ema abakosem trese Dr. Kwame Nkrumah danfo pa no mfe no kwadwo botu ono etu anamo ekọ eye efense Romania honom ɛna ɔkɔfa Dr. Kwame Nkrumah board no ɔde ba ɛyɛ Conakry ɛyɛ saa Guinea hɔ asɛm yɛ na mekan enti ɛhɔnom no mo ba bɛyɛ yie ɛma according to ekura mo ma 21 gun salute kura ɛde ma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yɛka nipa a ɛba hɔnom ɛne ade na nsɛm kakra ɛsan kɔ so wɔ akyire hɔ ne sɛ ɛbra na akɔyɛ sɛ na asabantugu abantino na ɔmo hu sɛ ɔmo de efu no ɛba ɛyɛ Ghana so ɔmo esie no ho so ɔmo yɛ den nti abakɔsɛm kyerɛ sɛ na enipa bi anasɛ private individuals bi ɛyɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔpɛsɛn kɔn bɛfa Kwame Nkrumah ɛbɔde no ɛde fi ɛyɛ ɛhɔ ɛde ba Ghana nanso Guinea president no ka sɛ ɔmpene agye sɛ Ghana aban ankasa agye atum sɛ ɔde ne bɛba ɛyɛ Ghana ansa na ɔbɛgye atum because na Guinea president no believe say Kwame Nkrumah enye Ghana ni name or African. That is what na sekutuari no na ni believe no say Kwame Nkrumah de na enye Ghana nkwa na no fight for Africa nyina. Eza nse ehwehwem kakra nso na ekoso wa chechre say na western world no ehu Kwame Nkrumah so oye threat to them because the way no person oka Africa bomu no mu hu ni say senka onya kwan ede ye saade na enka yade anka nsem bebre ebesi abusunya 21st September 1909 ene ye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na ne maame a owo no ye fe no Madam Elizabeth Nyaneba ena ne papa nso ede eye Opini Kufi Nwia Ngoloma. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eware eye Egyptian lady wangware Ghana ni na yere eye Egyptian esanzen o believe in Pan-Africanism nintino o ware eye Egyptian lady bia na efre no eye Fatia ono kra eye the year 2007 ya na ohwe ne nkwa nebuzane ama Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eye de ma Ghana na ebinie ne dika na ye Aboso Glass Factory na fi Accra Polytechnic na eye Accra Technical University no your Adome Bridge on your Agricultural Development Bank on airport residential area on on building honum a Jumaku School of Languages Nina is almost no under University of Education Winneba Anna Akusumo Textile on Akusumo Dam Ambassador Hotel, a Palm Secondary School, a Suchari Sugar Factory, a Table Training College, Atlantic Hotel, Atomic Reactor Station, Bank of Ghana, Brekum Training College, Bolgatanga Meat Processing Factory, Bolgatanga Rice Mill Factory, Bokrum Estate, City Hotel, Catering Rest Houses, now Golden Tulip Kumasi, Cocoa Marketing Board, Cocoa Board, Continental Hotel, now Golden Tulip Hotel, Doma Secondary School, Enchi Training College, Fosu Training College, Ghana Airways Corporation, Ghana Commercial Bank, Ghana Black Star Line, with almost 15 ships, Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, Ghana Film Corporation, Ghana Film Industries, Ghana Medical School, Ghana National College, Cape Coast, Ghana National Trading Corporation, Ghana News Agency, Ghana Oil Company, Ghana Port and Harbour Authority, GAPOHA, Gihok Fibre Product Company, Gihok Pharmaceuticals, Institute of African Studies, Kade March Factory, Kanda Estates, Commander Sugar Factory, Ikolebu Teaching Hospital, Kumasi Central Hospital, Konfanoche Teaching Hospital, Kumasi Shoe Factory, Kumasi Technical Institute, now University, Kwadaso College of Education, Kwame Nkrumah Institute of Economics and Political Science, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, Laboni Estate, Laboni Secondary School, Meridian Hotel, Fantipim Girls Senior High, National Investment Bank, National North and South Suntreso, in Sawam Candy Brick and Tie Factory, Oda Secondary School, Oforipeni Secondary School, Osu Ringway Estate, Patasi Estate, Peduasi Lodge, Paulugu Tomato Factory, Restructured of British Military Base, Accra and now Kotoka International Airport and Social Security and National Insurance Trust Fund SNIT, Star Hotel, State Farm Institute and State Housing and Hotel Projects, State Insurance Company SIC na Swedro Secondary School, Takwa Bonsa Tie Factory, Techiman Secondary School, Tema Harbor, Tema Motorway, Tema Oil Refinery Tour, Satoy, yo, and Tema Secondary School, Tema Steelworks, and Tema Township Communities, on the building Tema Community now, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the National Investment, the National Management and Productivity Institute, and the University of Cape Coast, UCC, University of Ghana, University College of Gold Coast, okay, University College of Gold Coast, okay, and a Volta Aluminium Company, Wenchi Tomato Factory, Winneba Secondary School, Zualugu Meat Factory. Abuzia, it is our friend Nima Winina, na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and a na yeti ha sit me bona baso ma menka ne sa sanse o ya dia wa ye bia magana mai pa nti we de fa comment eto ayinum